Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallows with Jolly Rancher's Easy Guide. Bloom 3 tablespoons gelatin in 1 cup cold water. Melt 2 cups sugar and 1 cup corn syrup with crushed Jolly Rancher candies until syrup. Combine with gelatin, whip to stiff peaks, pour into oiled pan, chill until set, dust, and cut into squares for serving. Enjoy making colorful treats at home. Measure ingredients and set up tools before heating anything to keep this process smooth and safe. Use a candy thermometer to reach proper syrup temperature without guesswork. Crush candies in a sealed bag with a rolling pin to avoid sticky mess. Keep a bowl of ice water nearby for quick cooling of utensils. Maintain warm, conversational pacing as you mix, whip, and watch the glossy marshmallow mass form. If you're enjoying this recipe, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help me make more simple dessert videos. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, which keeps your floors candy-free with less effort. I share a link and extra deals in the description for convenience. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Start by blooming the gelatin and heating the syrup to the correct temperature before combining. This avoids grainy texture. Slowly pour the hot syrup into the gelatin while the mixer runs on low, then increase speed to whip to stiff peaks. Scrape down sides to incorporate all colorful candy bits evenly. Pour into the prepared pan, smooth the top, cover, and chill until fully set before dusting and cutting into playful squares to serve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.